First we need the ointment, the bird pedicure. It can be handy to hold this ointment a little bit in your hand to warm up, or put it in your pocket so it has the body temperature and it will be more easy to apply. Then we take the bird. It is an older bird. And we hold him firmly with one leg in between two fingers. Hold the bird firmly in one hand so you can take one foot in between two fingers. In that way, the bird is very comfortable and I can apply the ointment on an easy way. Then take the bird pedicure ointment, put some on the top of your finger and do already a gentle massage in between your own two fingers. Then continue to give this gentle massage to the bird itself. So you see a lot of scales already try to come off. This gentle massage, first the joint and then the different toes. And the leg. Now the other. If you have not enough ointment, you just take a little bit more. And continue the gentle massage. Already scales are coming off. We have to repeat this treatment in a few days, in 5-6 days. You do it again and you will be amazed about the results already in 2 times.
Yeah.
On the same time, we check the length of the nails and if necessary, we will cut them as well with a suitable scissor. It's okay, this one a little bit. And the other one. Okay, this guy is much younger than before. Wish you all good luck.